Welcome to our quick Photoshop 2024 lighting tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will explore the brand new lighting feature. Without any delay, let's get started. Let's start by decreasing the exposure of this image. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose exposure. Decrease the exposure to make this image darker. Now select the mask and take the gradient tool. In the top panel, click on Gradient Editor. Choose black to white or black to transparent. In the style option, select Radial Gradient. Because our mask is white, select the foreground color as black. Now select this dot and make the gradient larger. You can also rotate it by grabbing this dot. Additionally, click this small dot to create a directional light. You can also use a small middle dot to adjust the light. Now this is the before and this is the after. Now let's add the texture to the highlight. Turn off the exposure layer, go to the channel panel and select the red channel. Hold Ctrl and click on the red channel thumbnail. You will notice a selection around the highlights. Now go back to the layer panel and select the background layer. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. You will see only the highlights are duplicated. Change the blend mode normal to overlay. Now go to the filter, other and high pass. Increase the high pass value and add more texture. Now this looks good. Now this is the before and this is the after. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment below. And do not forget to subscribe.